Hello, everyone. Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Katie, and today I thought I would share with you some of the plans that I want to do in March as far as my Bible study and Bible journaling slash gratitude journal plans. So I have a few things here to share with you today, and I just thought we would go ahead and share it. I thought it'd be a fun, easy video today and just relax and talk about what my plans are for the month. Let me know what you are going to be studying this month. I would love to know. All right, so the first thing is this little Bible that I'm slowly working in. Really love to see if I can finish it this year. So I would love to do at least 5 pages in this month. I'm not exactly sure where I'll be studying, as this is only New Testament, and right now I'm going through Psalms. So, but I would love to do at least 5 pages in here to kind of uh, just do a few more pages in here. So maybe I'll probably use some stickers, some paint, just have fun with the color schemes and stuff. I actually got some new Posca paint pens, different colors, so I might be doing a couple of those in this. So I'm super excited, but that's my one plan is I would love to do at least 5 pages in here. So we'll just have to wait and see if I do that, and I'll update you next month if I get those done. Then I'm going to go ahead and continue in this new book, which my mom and I started in the beginning of the year. This is 100 Days of Prayer by Shanna Noel. And we did another book of hers last year, and we really loved it. So we want to continue with this one. And we tend to take our time with these. We don't do it every single day. So like one of these usually lasts us like a whole year instead of just 100 days, which is totally fine. Right now we're on day 13. So this is Creative Connections, which is such a great thing, especially since, I'm creative here on YouTube. I'm writing a book. So I do have quite a few creative connections that God has blessed me with over the years through my YouTube channels and through reading and creativity and stuff. So that'll be a fun one to do. I might end up doing that with my mom later today. But in this one, there's usually a space that says, this one says, my prayer for connecting through creativity is, and you put a prayer down. So I put a prayer, like I only do like half the page. So that way, if I want to, I can reread this at another later date and write a second prayer down, or maybe an answer to the prayer. You never know if I ask, a specific thing or just something in general. But yes, so we will be continuing that, and I hope to do at least 10 of these in here this month would be nice. So we're going to do that. And then the last thing, really, honestly, I don't have much plans for this month because I'm not sure what I'll be doing this month. It looks like it might be a little bit busy. I'm not sure. Plus, I'd like to go out maybe once or twice this month once the snow melts. So that'll be nice to kind of get out. So this is actually what I'm studying right now. I do actually need to catch up in reading. Right now, I'm on Psalm 30. And this is my gratitude journal. So even on like my worst days, I really try hard to get into here. I think I'm 1 or 2 days behind, only because I like to decorate my pages first before I write. That way I know where to put the stickers and stuff. But yeah, so I am on Psalm 30 as far as like reading wise. I do need to catch up reading in Psalms. I should be at Psalm roughly 35, I think 35 or 36 right now, because I do roughly about a page a day in gratitude, and it just really helps me because honestly, even when I'm having a really, really bad day, if I can think of like one small thing that I'm thankful for, it really does help a lot. And so yeah, it's been a huge help, and it's kind of nice today actually. Today I'm actually very, very thankful because I have been dealing with some very serious anxiety attacks lately, which I honestly haven't had this bad, and I'm guessing like 5, 6 years. So when it happened, I was like, what's going on? Because I started getting rosacea. I can never pronounce it right, but rosacea on my cheeks. It's like a rash. I haven't had that in like 6+ years. I don't remember how long it's been. So when I got it, I was so confused, and I realized it was my anxiety attacks, like just like a lot that was going on in the past year. So I was like, okay, God, you just have to help me be more calm, get more into your word, relax, don't worry about tomorrow. Don't worry about planning the stuff you're doing this summer. I'm planning stuff this summer already. But today has been the first day in like a week where I haven't felt hot. And so I'm very, very thankful for that. And the rash hasn't been overly bad. So that's what I'm extremely thankful for. Let me know down in the comments what you're thankful for. I'm just thankful that I don't feel hot anymore, because I've been so hot like the past week. I'm like God, you really need to help calm my anxiety. So yeah. So every night now, I actually I listen to the Calm app only for the bedtime stories. Because they have bedtime stories, and I usually listen to the one with Sam Heughan or Matthew McConaughey, or I can't remember the other one. There's a couple that are just calming sounding, and they're just bedtime stories. They're like sweet love stories or bedtimey stories, So it's nice, I think you can get like a 30-day free trial or something, but it's nice to kind of fall asleep too. And I fall asleep fast with those stories, so they do really help. I never get to know what happens at the end of the story because I fall asleep, but they do kind of help wind down my anxiety at the end of the day. And I also want to get back into listening to my audiobook Bibles, because I have a couple of those as well. So yeah, so that's what I'm thankful for today. I'm thankful for bedtime stories, and I'm thankful that my anxiety has been going down today. I'm very thankful for that. All right, so yes, I've been kind of decorating. If you wanted to see a couple pages, I don't write too personal, but yeah, I've been just kind of having fun decorating, using stickers. I've been using stickers a lot lately versus like paint and stuff, but I really like the stickers, so it's been a lot of fun doing that. All right, so that's the last thing that I have planned for this month, is to just stay in my gratitude journal, writing it every day. Also catch up and catch up in reading Psalms as well, because this should be done, I'm guessing, because I'm already probably a third of the way through. Well, maybe a fifth of the way through. But this should be done by like the middle of the year, maybe a little bit later. So I'll have to actually start 2 journals this year, which will be kind of interesting to actually, because I never used to have 2 journals in 1 year. Normally 1 journal lasts me enough, but I'm also reading the Psalms as I go along. All right, so I hope you all have a wonderful, blessed day, and I will see you all in the next video.